Ladies and gentlemen, we are now preparing to land at Incheon International Airport. Please fasten your seatbelt and make sure your seat is upright. Thank you for flying with us, and welcome to Seoul.
Can't wait for AWMUN. Are you guys excited to be in Korea? Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
What? KU, it's amazing.
Hey.
Well, I love this university. This is my dream university, my dream college.